Hey! Uh-oh! There's his trucks. Well, some of them. These. And this isn't even all of his trucks and toys. Can you guys believe that? He has a couple in his hands. Say hi. Say thank you to your supporters. We've been cooped up inside for the past few days, me, him, and Daddy, so we decided to come outside and get some fresh air and let him play with his toys. Plus, I've been getting kind of sick, so I haven't been doing too much. No! This dude. We gotta go get your toys! I knew this whole bringing the cars out here and putting them in a little area was not gonna work for too long. I was hoping he would stay in that area, but I'm like, he's probably gonna run all around. Hey, little dude, can we go back the other way? Let's go get your cars. Kids are so full of energy. Oh, that apartment's empty. I didn't even know that. Yeah, it was empty. The one that you were trying to open. Pretty small. You want to tell your supporters what you've been up to? Hmm? Hmm? He loves trying to go back here by the trash can. Or the trash cans. Or whatever you call them. The garbage bins. Hi! You got something in your nose? He think I'm gonna chase him back and forth all day. Go get your cars! You see the fan? Looking at the fan? Why don't you get your cars? Here we go. Don't you mess with that. Out of all the places he could go, he want to come over here in this corner. We're not going back there. Yeah. Could you come back? You see the car? Say car. Let's go get your trucks. Can you get away from that door? Get away from that door. Come here. Let's go the other way. Let's look at your toy cars. Go get your cars. Do you have a favorite one? You got a fire truck and the other one, what's that called? A monster truck? I don't know too much about those things. I just know you like them. Oh! Almost ran into the tree. This is one of his newest ones right here. Can I see it? Look at them little hands. You got them boxing hands. Let me see. It says test subject. And this came in a pack of 2. His other one is in this little pile, but we got those from Ruckus. We got those from Barnes and Noble. He's one of those, one of those kids, you just gotta get him something before leaving the store, else he'll throw a tantrum. Before I became a mom and I would see, like, hey, don't you mess with that, you're gonna keep trying it. Before I became a mom and I would see kids in the stores, like, throwing tantrums and stuff, I would be like, I hope that's not me. Because if that is me, I'm not gonna know how to deal with that. And sure enough, this dude does the exact same thing. And he does it when his dad isn't around. And that's what makes it even harder. Because when his dad is around and he does it, well, he barely does it when his dad is around. But if he does happen to be feeling himself one day, his dad will put a stop to it. But with me, oh my gosh, we went to Super Savers the other day and he was screaming to the top of his lungs. I didn't know how to feel about it because, you know, kids are going to do stuff like that. But then I was also kind of embarrassed. I was like, he's screaming and people are looking. Usually I don't care, but I was like, these people are staring. And I couldn't stop him. I like raised my voice at him and I was like, be quiet. And that didn't help. That just made it worse. And I was like, oh. And yeah, so in those moments, I don't be knowing what to do. What do you guys think? Should I just let him scream or what? It gives me anxiety. Come here, son. Come here. Hi. Go get your toys. Go get your toys. You want to play with your other trucks? Where you going? Say truck? Say truck? What about bus? Bus? You gonna keep on going over here by this bush or this tree? Why don't you, son, why don't you go get the rest of your trucks and your toys? You want to go get the rest? You don't want to get the rest of your toys? What you doing? You discovered a new area, huh? Where's this dude going? Get your bus. Yeah, get your bus. Bus? You don't want to get your bus? Okay, mommy's gonna make a phone call. Let's tell our supporters bye.
Bye. Bye.
And we out.